you can convert files into CSV format directly through HYDROcom 6. This is provided you have an advanced or professional software license. Please visit the Hydrotechnik website for further information regarding software license purchase and activation. Firstly, link your device via USB to your computer. Connect to the device via HYDROcom 6 as shown. Then, read the memory of the data logger. Extract all relevant files in the MWF format, ensuring you select a folder on your computer to save them into. Once complete, access the file via the File selection window on the left-hand side of the screen. Drag the selected file into the active window. To convert the selected file to CSV format, select the Export option located under Extras, Data Exchange, Export, and then select CSV. When opening a CSV file in Excel, you may find that a formatting error occurs. This is because the data logger and HYDROcom 6 both export CSV files with a semicolon delimiter. Depending on your device, your computer may be processing CSV files with a different delimiter. To prevent this, open a blank Excel workbook. Proceed to Data and Get Data. Select from File and from Text or CSV. Importing the file will pop up a preview window. Ensure that the data is formatted correctly in this window. If you are seeing errors such as the one displayed on the screen, then change the delimiter from comma to semicolon. Ensure that the preview now shows the correct format and load the file into Excel.